Hello everyone too. My name is Perley, and today we're going to install a Dasco stand fan. So I'm going to show you. Okay, first we got the back front cage. It says Dasco in it. The cap for the blade, 3 blades. This like this. The motor, oh, a big motor, so heavy, and very strong. The back cage, the roof of the back cage. The last one is the down run. And that's all. Get started. Before you have to put this on here. Okay, you gotta get that down right here. Put it down. Okay, should make this on here. There we go. There we go. Let's put a motor on. I think I'm missing something, but that's not true. I don't know. There's nothing missing right there. Turn this freaking so it can be tight. There we go. Put the plug here. I'm gonna put this plug in here. Oh, that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna put. You use this ring in the back cage here. Put it on. Okay. So you ring. You twist it. Okay. There we go. Make sure you put completely tight. And next we put this on. So these are the slots how it goes in here. This on. There you go. It goes here. Okay. Now we put the cap on. Oh, one side. But yeah, the tight. The last part is this front cage. Okay. I'm going to turn it on the Dasco. You. Turn the Dasco. Oh. It locks when you put it. Oh. It's okay. But it doesn't go well. So, it's always falling. There we go. Put it on. Whoa. What? That's it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for helping me how to build a Dasco stand fan. So see you next time. Bye.